What's up, guys? Back for a little install video. If you guys can see, we got Melissa's G35 up in the air, and she's getting some goodies. So the exhaust is completely off. What was on this car was a eBay exhaust. It was a true dual, but it was pretty trash. It was hitting some part like right here on the diff. So it was just, you know, kind of time, and it wasn't really performing well. Had a couple exhaust leaks here and there, but overall, I mean, it's a solid exhaust, let's say for 100 bucks, 150 bucks. But we went ahead and upgraded it with a Invidia true dual exhaust. It's a really nice piece, really good exhaust, brand new. I believe it's like almost $800 to $900. So we got it for a really good deal, and it's gonna complement the car really well. It's gonna sound great. Diff's not gonna be hitting it or anything like that. So this is the first part of it. We got the old exhaust off. We're gonna go ahead and get some hardware and then go ahead and install this exhaust on her car. We have sound clips of how it sounded with that exhaust, and then we'll go ahead and take some sound clips of what it sounds like with the Invidia. And yeah, so, well, welcome to Florida. Never fucking fails. And now it's like deciding to like actually pour, so that's nice. Wonderful. This is how you can tell that this man does not want any exhaust leaks. It's gonna take a minute, but it actually looks pretty clean, and hopefully it'll like seal everything up straight. It looks like guys, so we're mocking up the back half of the exhaust, going ahead and getting that bolted together so that when we come down to install it, we already got the, I guess, Y pipe, whatever you want to call that, for a true dual. We have that bolted into the test pipes already, and we have it just resting on the jack. So once we go ahead with that piece, we'll get it on the hangers. Hopefully it'll be easy to line it up right there and bolt it all down. So yeah, it's actually not that bad of an install. We just wanted to go ahead and get new hardware and new gaskets, make sure everything's on point, so that, you know, ensure no exhaust leaks or anything like that. But yeah, so stay tuned. So we got it all set up. We went ahead and installed some mud flaps on it as well. So here's what it looks like. Super clean. Super clean setup. So we're gonna go ahead now and get a first start vid, cold start. Hopefully. Send it. It sounds good. Sounds good. Sounds like a proper VQ though.
Vibration in the, there's vibration. I'm gonna have to go
All right, guys. So we got the exhaust all installed. You guys heard the sound clips. That's pretty much gonna do it for today. So thank you guys for watching another install video. We appreciate it. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Peace.